As y'all can see, wiring is done as far as the power wire and ground. On the battery, you got one negative. I got the paint scrape deck right there. That's my negative for the battery, for the Optimal battery. Then you got 250 amp fuse going off the positive of this battery, going down. Wires coming down over here, going down over here. Got it going across and up to this battery. Then you got two more runs of 0 gauge I got going down, and I got it going down to the fuse block. So when he does get ready to put the 4-channel in here, I already got power going into the fuse block. Then I got power wire, 0 gauge going to the amp, and 0 gauge grounded right here, bare metal. Yeah, buddy.